What is a car insurance claim? A car insurance claim is a request for financial compensation that a driver files with an insurance company after their vehicle is damaged or they are injured in a car accident. More than $170 billion in auto insurance claims payments are made by U.S. insurance companies each year. While the process can vary between states and insurers, the basic steps are usually the same. 5 steps to file a car insurance claim. 1. Contact your insurance company. Contact your agent or insurer to report the accident as soon as possible. Be prepared to provide the following information. Which covered vehicle was involved? Who was driving? Location and time of the accident. A basic description of the accident and the severity of the damage. The name and insurance information of the other driver. Names and contact information of others involved in the accident and witnesses. Take notes and write down the claim number you provided, plus the name and direct phone number of the person you talk to. 2. File a police report. Your insurance company will request a police report number. If you did not get a police report at the scene, you can still go to a local police station to file a report. 3. Wait for an adjuster. The insurance company will assign an adjuster to your claim. The adjuster will most likely contact you for additional information. Stick to the facts and avoid speculation when describing what happened. Provide any photographs you took at the scene and the contact information of any witnesses. 4. Get a report from the insurance adjuster. Once the adjuster has considered the facts of the incident, including your coverage and the vehicle's damage, they will provide an initial estimate of the cost of repairs. Your insurance company will take this estimate, or an estimate from a repair shop, into account when determining how much they will pay for vehicle repairs. 5. Accept payment. The adjuster will authorize a final payment. You'll then sign a release accepting the offer as payment in full for the claim. Bodily injury claims, getting medical care. It's important to prioritize your health when getting medical care after a car accident. Don't avoid treatment for your injuries, as this could lead to medical complications later on. Many healthcare providers will be willing to directly bill car insurance when it's worth it to file a car insurance claim. The other driver was at fault and you're filing a claim with their insurance company. Your property was damaged and the cost of repairs is significantly higher than your deductible. You were injured in an accident. It's important to note that filing a claim with the other driver's liability insurance will not cause your rates to increase. Additionally, it's usually a good idea to file an insurance claim if you're hurt. Even seemingly minor injuries may be more serious than they first appear, and medical bills can quickly add up. On the other hand, if another driver was not responsible and your vehicle is only slightly damaged, it's probably best to pay out of pocket rather than risk a future rate increase. For instance, if you have a $200 comprehensive deductible and a deer caused $300 in damage to your car, filing a claim won't be very beneficial. But if the deer caused $1,200 in damage and you don't have a lot of savings, filing a claim is worth it for your specific situation. Property damage claims, getting car repairs. Your insurance company will usually provide detailed instructions for getting your car repaired. Don't fix anything before the adjuster can inspect it, unless waiting will lead to further damage in the future. You'll be able to choose your own repair shop and have the final say in which parts you accept for your car, although taking the insurance company's recommendations can sometimes save you time and money.